Using a business credit card is an effective way to manage your company's expenses and earn rewards. But it requires responsible handling to maximize its benefits. First, understand the terms and conditions of your business credit card, including the interest rate, credit limit, and repayment terms. Next, assign the card to authorized personnel and establish a clear expenses policy to ensure that all purchases are work-related. It is essential to keep personal and business expenses separate to avoid confusion and potential tax issues. When making a purchase, use your business credit card for legitimate business expenses, such as office supplies, travel, and equipment. Make sure to save all receipts and invoices for record keeping and tax purposes. To manage your business credit card account, set up online access to track your expenses, view statements, and make payments. Consider setting up automatic payments to avoid late fees and interest charges. It is also crucial to monitor your credit utilization ratio, which is the percentage of available credit being used. Keeping this ratio low can help maintain a healthy credit score for your business. Additionally, take advantage of rewards programs and cashback offers on your business credit card to earn points or cash on your purchases. This can help offset business expenses and provide additional benefits to your company. Finally, review your business credit card statement regularly to identify areas for cost cutting and optimize your expenses. By following these steps and using your business credit card responsibly, you can streamline your company's finances and make the most of its benefits.